Hey guys, welcome back to Kiwanna's Kitchen. I'm Kiwanna. For those of you that are new to my channel, welcome. I'm Kiwanna. In today's video, I'm going to share with you all on how I make delicious oven-baked turkey necks smothered in gravy. So, if you guys want to see how I put these turkey necks together, keep watching. Alright guys, to make my oven baked smothered turkey necks, in my casserole dish here, I have a total of 2 packs of thoroughly clean turkey necks. I just drizzled on a little bit of olive oil, which is going to help them stay nice and moist and tender while they're baking in the oven and not have them dry out. And now I'm adding on some poultry seasoning. Now you really don't have to add seasoning if you don't want to, because turkey necks are smoked, which means they already have a lot of added flavor in them. But to me, I just like to go on with a little extra poultry seasoning to enhance the seasoning or the flavor that's already there. So yeah, like I said, you don't have to add it, but yeah, I just added on a little bit of that. Now I am adding in my sweet Vidalia onion, and I chopped up a medium sweet Vidalia onion, got that all over, and I was just having a little issue of trying to break them apart, but no worries. Now we're gonna go in with our chicken stock, and I'm gonna add in that entire carton of chicken stock, okay? And we're gonna get these into the oven and bake them for a total of 1 hour. And what that chicken stock is gonna do, guys, after you cover it with aluminum foil, it's gonna help cook the turkey necks and have them come out nice and tender, okay? So you want to go ahead and cover that and then poke holes in the top, and what that's going to do is just going to help some of that steam to release, you know, as your turkey necks are baking. So like I said, let them cook for about an hour, and then you want to take them out, and here they are here, guys. They are done, okay? But what I'm going to do, I want to thicken up that juice that came from the turkey necks right along with the chicken stock that I added in there. I want to thicken that up, and what I'm going to do is go in with some turkey gravy packets, okay? But first I'm going to take all of these out of the dish here and set them to the side. I have a plate there to the side that I'm adding the turkey necks along with some of the onion on. And you don't have to take out the onion, you know, you can just scrape that off the top and leave it in there if you want. It's all good either or. It's gonna go right back in there, okay, if you decide to leave it on the turkey necks. But there is the gravy packets that I'm going to be using, and these are from HEB, and I'm going in with 2 packs of the turkey gravy. So I'm going to go ahead and give that a good whisk just to make sure they are well mixed in with that juice from the turkey and also the chicken stock, and we are pretty much just making a gravy. Now we're going to add the turkey necks right back in there, guys. Then we're going to get this into the oven again for another 15 to 20 minutes, and that gravy is going to thicken up, guys, and you're pretty much like what we're making. You are just smothering the turkey necks, okay? So go ahead and just add all of those back in there, and I did give them a good twist, you know, just to make sure some of that gravy was on the top. And like I said, get these into the oven for about 15 to 20 minutes, and it is gonna thicken up, guys, and look just like this right here. Now I did make some rice and some green beans on the side to go with this, and guys, this was our Sunday dinner, and you definitely can see here of how it turned out. Look at that gravy, guys. This turned out perfect. So I'm gonna go ahead and just show you guys how I put this together. I got a bowl of rice, and I just put a turkey neck on top, and then I just got some of that gravy and just poured it over the top, and that was dinner for us, guys. And that's as simple as it get when making these smothered turkey necks in the oven, or oven baked smothered turkey necks, or whatever you guys want to call it. We made smothered turkey necks in the oven. So I truly do hope you guys enjoyed my video of me showing you of how I make my oven baked smoked turkey necks. If you guys enjoyed my video, please give my video a thumbs up, support my channel by subscribing, and until next time, you guys take care.